Here's our dye at the dock at Cardiff Marina. There's the marina up there. All the other boats. It's a beautiful location here. There's a pedestrian bridge up here. And just across the river here is the grocery store, the Tesco. There's also a restaurant. And over here in this building where the marina is, there's a bakery and a coffee shop. So it's really nice here. And Di sustained more damage on the tow rail from the pounding she took in the North Atlantic. Thank you very much. So this is our port side aft lower chain plate. And we have removed all of the trim, all of the things on the bookshelf, the trim, and exposed the chain plate and discovered where the leak was. So now we're removing this chain plate. We're going to try to pull it out of the deck. Hopefully it's in good shape and we can put it directly back in because crevice corrosion. Ah! They're beautiful stainless chain plates. And I love how they go through this string or rib or whatever you call it. It's rock solid. Yeah, sure is. Oh, what? Oh, it's pulling out. Ah, how exciting! Well, looky there. She already pulled herself out of the deck. She sure did.
I'm just going to remove the chain plate. So, check for corrosion.
Cool.
No corrosion.
Cool.
Perfect, Nick.
Yeah? Gary's got it all cleaned up already, and we are putting the group on. Ta-da! Chain plates. How long does the Sikaflex take to set up?
About 20 years.
20 years.
In this heat, it'd be a couple of hours, but it's always curing. It never stops.
Oh. Pretty tough. And the finishing touch, the paint. Yay! Looks so much better already. So cool having all these swans. There were just a few and now they're like all here. It's so cool. Hello, neighbors. A couple of days ago we discovered that this trim was wet. There was a little puddle of water down here in the head sink. And so Gary has taken all this trim off and there he is. Hi sweetie. Taking all that trim off, taking this piece of fiberglass off, and now he's taking the window out because we discovered that that is in fact where the leak is coming from. First thing is to take this screws out of this piece of aluminum trim. Alright, he's got all the screws out now. Oh, he's levering out this piece of aluminium. I stand corrected. Oh, interesting. Oh, very interesting. Ooh, goopy. This is the scary part. Oh.
It is actually glass, it's not plastic.
Oh my god. Oh my god, it's out. Holy shit. Wow. Gaping hole in the boat.
Okay then, this is the
smallest scraper we have.
Yeah. Perfect for the job. See, the scrape is just the right size.
It's nice and sharp.
Shiny. It's a shiny one. Shiny ones always work better.
Can I soak it in vinegar now?
Yes, no. Oh god, bloody vinegar.
I love my vinegar. Vinegar will make it so pretty.
And smell like vinegar.
Salad.
Ah, there's all these chemicals in the world and we're still using vinegar.
Vinegar is the best. It's
I know.
not toxic.
She makes me not use chemicals.
Cleaning the glass. I've just managed to get the trash bag out. Gary's just about got the job done. Looking way better. He's already done 5 of the windows, so.
Only because my bed was getting wet.
Oh, I had that problem on Harmony too. And here goes the goop. Glass first. Nice. Wow, that's going to be so much better. No more leaking. Trim piece. Goopy.
Okay, put the screws in. Down to the opposite corner. You have to get as much of this black stuff on your hands as possible, otherwise it's not going to seal the window properly.
No more leaky window. Yay! And for a last final touch, a little extra goop on the bottom.
A little bit lit there, so.
In other news, yesterday Viola got a brand new main sheet and brand new control lines for Fred. And Fred's got a new bolt and we got a new outboard. We are just doing the refit here while we're in Cardiff. She also got brand new reefing lines because the old ones were pretty badly chafed. And we've ordered a new sail cover since this one is literally falling to pieces. And we're just waiting for that now. And then here we are out sailing in Cardiff Bay with Lucy and Craig. And Gary's here too. We're zooming along toward downtown at whopping 4, almost 5 knots actually. Not much wind, lovely gloomy sky. Welcome to the UK.
It's on this like that.
Okay, this is the Beth Olympic Sailing Team's practice tack.
All right.
Yeah.
Helms
And
away.
Lucy.
Hey.
And this is how I think we're going to have a lesson in tacking. Lucy's doing a wonderful job on the helm. I think we should take them with us everywhere, because Beth and myself can just, I don't know, do nothing. There we go. This is a well-oiled team.
Yep, years of practice.
Minutes of practice, it means.
Minutes of practice.
Oh yeah.
Flawless.
Okay, so
You okay over there, Craig?
yeah, I was just thinking about pulling in a bit more, maybe a little bit.
Okay, there you go. There is lesson number 1 from the Beth Olympic Sailing Team instructional video.